How to get rid of foxes. Although they may look cute and cuddly, foxes can actually turn out to be sneaky, crafty little predators that mercilessly prey on your farm animals and even could cause damage to your property. Wild foxes enjoy dining on chickens, turkey, duck and geese in addition to baby pigs, lambs and small house pets. A fox can burrow under your property's foundation or beneath stone walls and cause structural damage. In some cases, you may find you need to rid your property of wild foxes in an effort to protect your home, your land and your animals. Things you will need: wire fencing, repellent. Step 1. Remove all possible food sources to keep foxes from returning to scavenge your property. Stop leaving food outside for your domesticated cats and dogs, because some foxes are known to eat pet food. Protect your livestock and poultry from fox attack by erecting a wire barrier at least 6 feet high and buried at least 10 inches below ground level. You may also install electric fencing, which will deliver an unpleasant shock to any fox who attempts to pass. When all the possible food sources are gone or unreachable, many foxes will cease to return to your property. Step 2. Put out fox repellent across the expanse of your property, and pay particular attention to your property boundaries and the areas surrounding any animals. Visit your local garden center or feed supply store to find chemical repellents which are approved for repelling foxes. Fox repellent is made with strong chemicals which foxes find offensive. Most fox repellent is not harmful to other animals, and you can find fox repellent that is made to be environmentally friendly and will not harm trees or other plant life. Follow the package instructions for using commercial fox repellent products. Step 3. Check the local laws pertaining to wildlife in your area to determine whether you can utilize a wildlife extermination company or whether you will have to contact the Wildlife Protection Service or the Fish and Game Department for assistance. Call a wildlife exterminator if your state laws allow and all other fox removal efforts have failed. Look through your local yellow pages and business listings to find a wildlife extermination company that specializes in fox removal. Make an appointment, and the company will send out a representative to assess your property and estimate the level of the fox infestation. The exterminator will conduct fox removal upon your request and may employ hunting, trapping or poisoning methods to remove or reduce the wild fox population surrounding your home.